Alright, this is the maiden voyage of the Green Hornet 6S. This will be my first cinewhoop, well, fully ducted cinewhoop anyway, and my first 6S as well, so let's see how this goes.
And I've been thinking about you night and day. I see you in my dreams, cause you know it's true. And baby, won't you tell me what it is that you would like to see? And I'll do anything in my power to give you everything that you need. Baby, please just come with me. Seems I'm a lucky man, do the best that I can. Hope that's enough to get me by. Stand for what I believe, and I believe in you and me. So baby, please let me see that smile. You know you drive me wild. Of your touch, and oh, every time I think of you, well, you know, I get so overcome with love. And baby, don't you know there is no place I would rather be than right there next to you, while you're right there next to me. So baby, please just come with me. Seems I'm a lucky man, do the best that I can. Oh, that's enough to get me by. Stand for what I believe, and I believe in you and me. So baby, please let me see that smile. You know you drive me wild. You know you drive me wild.